POSSEHL introduces our runway dressing surface treatment, FL8SAFE. We work with more than 100 airports all over the world to make runway surfaces safer, more sustainable and more efficient by doubling a runway's life cycle and saving on operational costs. A runway dressed with FL8SAFE in normal weather conditions compared to an untreated runway makes the braking distance for aircraft clearly shorter. They can use the high-speed exit taxiway. The rough pavement of the FL8SAFE layer enables aircraft to reduce ground speed earlier than on normal asphalt. Since the aircraft approaching next cannot land until the runway is clear, FL8SAFE enables closer spacing of landing aircraft. A FL8SAFE top layer has a high water drainage capacity of 6 mm per 20 minutes in combination with a slope of 1.5%. The advantages of the FL8SAFE top layer become even clearer in bad weather conditions. When it rains, an aircraft landing on a FL8SAFE runway is still able to leave the runway on the high-speed exit. In extreme weather conditions, for example heavy rain, a normal asphalt runway has to close. But on a runway treated with FL8SAFE, aircraft can still approach because of the high drainage effect of the surface. This means that runways feel dry when wet. FL8SAFE also enables safe operations during crosswinds. The microtexture resists polishing and thus skidding at low speeds. The surface friction value is 0.9 U at 65 km per hour. During heavy crosswinds, aircraft are not able to land on normal asphalt. Because of the high friction and the dry when wet effect of the FL8SAFE surface, aircraft are even able to land in these extreme weather conditions. Looking closely at the micro and macro texture of FL8SAFE, we learned that the microtexture is resistant to polishing and thus skidding at low speeds because of the texture depth. FL8SAFE is sustainable due to longevity, reduces winter services, and has operational benefits like reducing taxiing on runways and thus saving fuel. The rough FL8SAFE top layer needs to be de-iced less. FL8SAFE makes for tremendous progress in sustainability by reducing the impact of de-icing on the environment. An ordinary asphalt runway has to be replaced in approximately 12 years. A runway treated with FL8SAFE has an evident lifetime of 21 years. FL8SAFE has tremendous advantages for your runway life cycle. We call them the Big Five. Maximizes operational revenues, allows for safe operations in severe climate conditions, is sustainable and protects the environment, compliant with all aviation standards and regulations, saves money and increases turnover. Do you want a safer, more sustainable and efficient runway? Please contact POSSEHL.